welcome back to my channel. So it's been a couple of weeks and I know I keep doing that, but I just started my first new job. Yay, adult stuff. It has been a crazy couple of weeks of training, my first week out in the field, just kind of learning the entire thing. I won't bore you with the specifics of that, but I'm here today to do finally a new video, and one that I've promised for a few weeks now is I'm going to show you me and Ben's apartment. We've got a cameraman back there, so I'm just gonna this is gonna be nice and quick. I mean, most of the people who watch our channel are people who know us in real life, and you've seen our apartment in some capacity, so we're just gonna do a little tour today. So if you want to see our apartment, then keep on watching. So obviously this is the front door, and as you walk in, this is what you see first. This was a really sweet gift from our friend Bree. It was made to hold wine and be like a wine thing, but we found it really helpful to just be kind of like the front door thing. Then the first thing you see as you walk in is our kitchen. This was one of the main selling points when we decided to move in here, just because it was brand new appliances, it was barely lived in, a lot of new stuff, which is really exciting. We love the island. We cook on here all the time, if you want to give a little sweeping glance. Oh, I should also say, while we are doing an apartment tour, we are doing a lived-in apartment tour. It is Sunday and we are lazy. We vacuumed, but we didn't really clean, so it's a little messy. It's fine. Back here, just pretty normal sink, dishwasher, which we still don't use very much. Spice rack, very important. That was a big thing we wanted when we moved in. We'll do a quick little fridge tour. And by fridge tour, I mean I'm gonna open it.
We have many a thing. Shut up.
It's not very exciting. It's a lot of
We have
frozen
ice
meat
pops.
because we try to shop for 2 weeks at a time because COVID-19 safety. Following this, it's like a very open concept where it goes right into the living room. The couch and the mirror were actually both from my house in New Hampshire, so that might look a little bit familiar. It feels a lot like home when we moved down here and that was there. We have our VR setup, courtesy of Ben, in the 2 corners of the room. We bought these 2 pieces at IKEA while we moved down here. This was a gift from his parents. The only reason I'm pointing all of this out is a lot of the people we've spoken to have been like, you guys have a lot of adult furniture, and we're like, no. We got given a lot of this because we're the oldest kid in both houses. Tell us about your baby.
So here's my vertical record player. She's beautiful. I love her. She has googly eyes.
Have we named her?
I don't think we have. We'll have to.
Glenda.
Yeah, we'll put it. Glenda.
Glenda.
Glenda, the good witch?
No, that's Glinda.
Oh.
Glenda.
Shit.
The mediocre witch. Here's our box of records as well. Here is Brandy's cage that we put down because we didn't like putting her in a cage.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I love it. It's vertical, it's cool, it's magnetic. She's saucy.
We'll just, while she's here, while the star is with us, if you want to zoom in and give some love to the girl. Hi, baby.
Who's the little
Kale, she loves it. Do not lick it. Do not lick it.
Who's so cute.
She plays fetch sometimes.
Oh. She wants love.
That's fine. All right, back to it. So we do have a balcony outside of that door, but we're not gonna go out there because it's really
dirty.
not decorated anyway. It's a balcony, it's screened in. It's pretty nice, but we're just gonna skip over that. Then going into here is our room, and also my office.
Ooh.
I don't know, just sweeping look. It's a little bit plain because we haven't really known what we wanted to do in here yet. I made these signs for places that are important to us. Dressers.
So this beauty and that matching beauty over there, these were my dumpster diving finds. We have this big open trash area behind the house, and they were just there. It was like they were waiting for us. They're perfect. I cleaned them off profusely. Because of COVID. And they were in the trash.
I wouldn't let you take them into the house.
And she wouldn't let me take them in. But they're clean, they're perfect. Drawers, not even a problem. It's great, I love it.
Yeah, here is my desk for my work. It's been really good so far. I don't love having a desk in my room. It feels very college, but while we're all working from home and figuring things out, and Ben's office isn't back in person yet, we're making it work. This desk will eventually be in a room we'll show you later where Ben's desk area is, but since we both have a lot of calls throughout the day right now, it makes sense to be in different rooms. Charging station.
Humble beginnings of the charging station.
Much to my dad's chagrin, if my dad happens to be watching this, we had a charging station back at my like childhood home, and me and my sisters just complained, man, all the time, saying why do we need to have a charging station, and now I have one in my own apartment. It is what it is. We made a photo wall.
Ooh.
None of the photos are like of us or important to us. Sammy made fun of me for that. They're all very Pinterest, but this wall was boring and I wanted some color. Don't zoom in on JoJo. I don't want them to know.
You're a weeb?
I don't want them to know.
You're a weeb.
Here's the closet. It's not that interesting, but I've always wanted a walk-in closet. Look at my shoes.
She's got a couple.
I've got a couple shoes.
Just a couple.
I've got a couple shoes.
Just a couple.
That's where I keep all my arts and crafts too.
Ooh, cute.
Isn't that fun? And then master bath. We made it very flower themed in here, which was very much our aesthetic. Ben's mom painted that.
Yeah.
It's not nice. We didn't paint that. We could never. I got this from Target when we first realized we were moving because I wanted
making a house a home.
Disgusting. And then look at my cart.
It's a nice little bathroom.
There's like stuff in here, but
I mean, it's just it's our bathroom stuff.
We're not that perfectly organized because we have only been here for like 2 months and both like just starting to like make money and get paid and stuff. But it's very good for where it should be for 2 recent college graduates. You feel me?
Absolutely.
All right, so now we'll go on to the next part of the house. Follow me.
Ooh.
Oh wait, hold on, a Roman Joe's break.
Ooh.
Sponsor me, please. I'm running out of rushes.
Only sugar-free though.
Sugar-free mango, 4 pumps. Hold on. We literally brought Aroma Joe's with us. If you watched our moving vlog, you would know, but we're running very low. But I called the Land O'Lakes location today, which is a long drive, but we'll do it. And we're gonna go get more at some point this week. Moving on. This is not exciting, but it's a coat closet. It's where we also keep all of Brandy's things. So, you know, closet.
Vacuum.
Are you enthused? Class of 2020.
Ooh.
Iconic. Hashtag graduation. Washer dryer in unit and the coolest freaking cooler that my dad got us before we moved, and I love it. We have
Shout out to Marky Mark.
We have nowhere to go with it, but I love it. We're doing laundry right now, so I'm sorry it's loud. Guest bathroom is very not exciting because we currently don't have any guests. But we have a sign that was in my dorm room that like I just wanted to keep it because I think it's aesthetic. And Star Wars is sick. Nope.
And Star Wars is sick.
Star Wars is sick. Let's get the camera on some handsome now, shall we?
Oh, stop it. It's been on some beautiful for too long.
Oh, God.
Welcome to my zone.
AutoZone?
Get in the zone, auto zone. So, we start. This is the guest bedroom / where I work.
We call it the everything but the bagel room.
Everything happens in here. This is where I store a lot of my things. We got printers, we got 3D printers, we got broken 3D printers, we got motors, we got
storage boxes.
We got TVs that are broken down because that's what I like to do.
And hats underneath them?
Hats underneath them. We got VR storage, we got wires, a lot of wires. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Signs.
Also, shout out to the Taylors.
Bane.
Oh, isn't he?
Painting.
And so then we come to where the magic happens. As you can see, we got big 3D printer. We got pegboard. We got big whiteboard. We got dual screens, light up keyboard, and gamer chair. It doesn't click, but it does light up. I got that from my work. So here's my workbench, my baby.
Every time you smack something, she jumps, by the way.
Well, she's going to have to get used to it.
Yeah, that's true.
Because that's what I do.
The high energy
Here's
boy.
my drone that I've made myself. It doesn't fly yet, but it will.
When?
But, TBD on that one.
That's fair.
But yeah, so a lot of good storage for all of my
Now, Ben,
dangerous.
when did this workbench come about?
A couple weeks ago.
No, okay. When did it come into the apartment?
Maybe when you weren't here.
The 1 week I was out of the apartment is when a workbench found its way in here.
It was a good sale.
All right. This is also the guest bedroom, but like I said, Ben's office for now. My desk is eventually gonna go there. This is where when we have stationary filming, so when we're not, you know, doing an apartment tour, but it's gonna have a nice little backdrop, so when we feel like filming professionally, we could do it. I love this photo wall. This was one of those things that I was like, is this ridiculous for me to be spending money on?
I mean, this photo wall is what, like 20, 30 bucks?
Like 30, yeah.
Yeah, nothing.
Not too bad. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know that was a little bit shorter, lazier of a video than we normally do. It's been a long week. If you have any ideas for videos you want us to do, Sebastian, you don't need to tell me the anime one. I promise you that it's coming up. We have a lot of ideas, but I'd love to hear what you guys want to see. We are located in the Tampa Bay area in Florida. So, you know, anything around here that you'd like to see, give us a shout and we will go make it happen. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me, and, you know, click the bell, whatever.
Ring that bell for notifications.
Ring that bell for notifications.
ASMR video on coming soon.
No. Aroma Joe's, please sponsor me. I will talk about you for the rest of my life. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!